Yes, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And today I will take you through how to create a cloud account and start using AI the way you want. Because actually, cloud account will help you in many things if you want to do online stuff and actually take you through all the steps, step by step. And please be with me, and I will take you through the whole process. So go to your browser and type cloud AI. After, you can just click on this link with this logo, cloudai.com or the cloud.com, but it's cloud.ai. And once you click on this thing, make sure that you have a registered and verified email account because you need to verify your account once you are verified, and this will help you in the whole process. So as you can see, the website says think fast, build faster. So you can either continue with Google or you can continue with an email. If you know the device you are using has a Google account logged in, you can just use continue with Google here. But if you know that you have a separate email, you can just click on continue with email. But for example, for me, I'm going to use continue with Google because I already have a Google account installed or logged in onto my device. But for educational purposes, I would also use this continuous email. But to make things very simple for you to understand, you can use the continue with Google because it actually will not ask you anything regarding do not ask you anything regarding entering an email, entering the passwords. Everything will be smoothly and very free for you, and actually your account will be very easy to navigate through. So as you can see, this is an expression video on how this AI will help you. First, makes you read files faster, analyze them, and all the work runs multiple tasks at once. You can explore the plans because it has the free version. You can say you can chat on the web, iOS device, Android, and on your desktop. You can generate code and visualize data. You can write, edit, and create content. You can analyze text and images. Ability to search the web. That's what it does best. It can create files and execute code. Actually, when you're not on your device, you can unlock more from cloud with desktop extensions. You can connect Slack and Google Workspace services all together so that it can work for you on what you really need. So also integrate any context or tool through the connectors with remote MCP. That's why this is one of the best AI in the market. Oh, actually, you can also go through and use uh you can also go through and use this because uh once we are there, you'll be able to find out that this is one of the best AI that is available in the market right now. So we can go back above and click say we continue with email so that you can just log in with the email and everything goes on smoothly as we hoped for. So what you have to do is come here, enter your email. My email is nyasinganaboth@gmail.com. Let me just enter the last extension very well at gmail.com. Actually, if you want any services from me, you can text me on that email and I'll be able to respond to you as well as actually you can see that it is saying that cloud AI with Google. It actually wants me to use the Google version directly, but no, I want for educational purposes, I want us to go through the whole hard way. So you can enter the verification code that was sent to you via email. So go check your email, copy the code and paste it. As simple as that. So you get an email from Anthropic. So you can just click there to verify that you're the one and everything will be at ease. That's the link they gave me actually. So you have just copy the link and paste in your browser, or you can just tap the link directly and you'll be enrolled on this account. So saying this link has been used, it's because I had used it on my account the other side. So you just refresh and you'll be in on your account. So guys, that's how simple you can create this. So you have to accept all the policies and then continue and click on that button that says create account. So you can use cloud for free or get the go plan, or you can get the get max plan. It's up to you what you actually want to use this AI for you. But for education purposes, you can just choose this free version, use it for the best way you really like or want. You can also even download it for Windows, but that's another video I'll make for you guys how to download this whole video at once. So you can use it for shrinking, for complex work, for building. So it's up to you what you really need to do with this application. So you can either use it online or download the application, but for now let's skip that. And it can actually show you that before you first chat, a few things to know plus one setting to review. This is where how to be serious because it's really needed. And for your own sake, it will help you in the long run. So it says add free chats. We won't show you ads or it advertisers inflate what cloud says. Absolutely free. Built to help or not harm. Automated safeguard protect your chats from violent, abusive, and deceptive content. Then help improve our AI models. Allow the use of your chats and coding sessions. Train and improve Anthropic AI models. Change anytime the privacy settings. So you can either disable this or accept it, but accepting it will be helping Google to use your chats to help and improve other models, which is actually a fair because we're using the free version. So once they want us to enter a name, let us use Naboyuji as our channel name. That's the name which I use on this cloud. So you can say continue what your role, what do you do? What actually do you do? So let me just say I'm a researcher or anything else. So such as a project manager, but now I wanted to change something else. It's just other person with me planning my week, explain the okay, yeah, we can do that. Basically, everything you want, it's free here. You can ask it everything you want. So these are the versions you can change from one to all the versions are here. So it's up to you. You can actually say, how are you? I am new here. Give me a joke. As simple as that. Just ask it anything. Even if you have, let me say you have your own mental issues, you can come here and just ask it anything you want. So hey, welcome. Here's one for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Because as you know, atoms are everything. So everything is made up of an atom. So that's a joke. Let's just ask it another joke. Another joke, please. Another joke, please. It will collect the springs. Don't worry. Hope that's gave you a chance. Okay. Another joke. It's just thinking. It wants to read and give you what's best for you. So give it time. So he say, here you go. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Actually, you can really ask anything about this software. So, guys, that's how you can create an account and start using it. For simplicity issues, just inbox me or WhatsApp me here on the numbers that I will display here, and make sure that you can talk to me and I give you all the best you need for this uh, session, how to actually create an account on cloud, make money on it, use it for your own purposes and make it benefit all your friends, and make sure that you can be able to protect and follow the guidelines of YouTube. So for any other question, if you have any other question, please don't fail to inbox me here on WhatsApp. You can actually you can actually even comment on this video, ask me all the questions because I'll be happy to reply you, and in the way of replying you I'll be making sure that other people understand what I'm actually giving you. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the comment sections as I will be answering all your questions. Actually, everything is free. When you are trusting technologies, you can actually get free information. And another reminder,